Alright, go to Makerworld, Maker Lab, and image to keychain. Create from blank. And then upload your image. And then confirm. And then once you confirm, do 4 color. It'll have your colors selected. And then you have to select each color. So figure out which color is going to be the background. This one, the navy, would be the background. So that layer is automatically at 1 millimeter. So then you pick your next layer, which would probably be the blue. So you have to click on every part of the baby blue. So first the outside, and then hold down Control to make each selection. And then click every part of baby blue, and then it'll highlight. So click all the baby blue parts. All right, and then once you have that, you'll go here and you'll set the next height. So it only needs to be a 0.5 millimeter more. So since the navy blue is 1 millimeter, you do 1.5 and then hit enter. And then if you look over here and click on this thing here, it'll switch and then it'll show your layer height. So right now the navy blue is the bottom, and then the baby blue, and then next we'll do the white. So then you switch back and you select all the white. Same thing, click the first one and then hold Control and select all the other white. And once you have that, do that one 2 millimeters, so it's just 0.5 millimeter more. Hit enter. Then you go back over here for the preview. And there you go. After you hit the design, hit download, hover over download, and then STL. Then it's going to download your file. Click on that so it can open it up. And then I was doing 4 inches, so go to scale, click on inches. Your y-axis, you're gonna put to 4, hit enter. And then to start separating your layers, click on start slicing and slice. Then you wanna do your slice preview. Once you do your slice preview, zoom in so you can see all your layers. So this layer is the white layer, that layer is the baby blue layer, and then the navy blue is down there. So you're gonna take your layers right here, the layer numbers, and when you move them down, you'll start to see these drop. And then one layer above there, so that's layer 26, it would have to pause on for the white layer. So then you remember that, and then keep going down. And that layer is layer 21, so you got to pause on layer 21 for the baby blue and 26 for the white. So then you go back up to here, click start slicing again, go to others, click on pause layers, and it was layer 21 was the first one for the baby blue, and then add another one. It was layer 26 for the white. And then you're gonna hit slice. And then it's ready to go. Once you send it to the printer, it'll pause on each layer, and then you'll switch your filament and hit play, and I'll continue the video and show you that. All right, after it pauses, it's gonna move up here to the front, pull up your stuff, cut it down there, and switch your filament. Once you switch your filament in the back, I had navy blue, switching to baby blue. You're gonna go up here and click on that one, and then do switch filament and hit start. It's gonna heat up, and then once it heats up, it's gonna say heating complete, and then it's gonna suck that down inside. So then you just put that, and then feed your this one in, and then it'll start going, and it's gonna switch your filament, and then let it just keep running. Once it switches the filament, you can just pull that out, and it'll say again, you just go up and hit home after it switches, and then you're just gonna hit play. I'm gonna resume print, heating these away. You just gotta heat up a little bit to the 225. And then once it gets 225, it's just gonna go and start printing again. And then you'll do the same thing when it pauses on the next one.